Urgent and breaking news coming out of Iraq. 2 more drone attacks against U.S. military in Iraq. Over 50 U.S. soldiers have been hurt in these armed drone attacks by Iran-backed groups. The Secretary General of Iraq's Nujaba movement, Sheikh Akram al-Kabi, released a statement on the 8th of November saying there can be no political solution for Iraq while U.S. troops remain within the country's borders. Let's look at another scenario similar to Iraq. The Afghan soldiers were trained to protect their country, their community, and their families. The United States left. Within 10 days, the Afghan government fell into the hands of the Taliban. How did this happen so fast? And could the same thing happen to Iraq if the U.S. military training personnel were to leave? Iraq is OPEC's second largest supplier of crude oil. A lack of fuel would adversely affect the entire world. The world owes Iraq a peaceful transition into prosperity because it was the world that replaced Iraq's leader. There were those who fought the dictator. Their lives were terminated and often family members met the same fate. When family is threatened, will soldiers with extreme religious beliefs lay down their weapons?